Are you tired of trying out different ways to gain weight and seeing no results? Then don't worry anymore, because in this video I am going to tell you the exact supplements that you need to gain weight, when to take those supplements, and at last we will talk about whether or not taking these supplements and lifting weights will help you gain mass. So if that sounds interesting to you, then stick with the video till the end. Hey everyone, welcome to Health Insiders. We upload weekly videos regarding health, nutrition, and fitness. And before we begin, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Before deciding on taking any supplement, we highly recommend that you first look at your diet for any deficiencies like skipping meals, going long hours without eating, eating unbalanced meals, not eating enough calories. Fix these issues first and then worry about supplements. First, and the most important supplement to help you gain weight and increase muscle is protein. You do not even need protein supplements if you can consume the daily recommended amount of protein from natural food sources. But as a gym goer, we can all agree that it is much easier to snack on a protein bar or protein shake to get the required amount of protein. Some of the most common types of protein powders are whey protein, soy protein, casein protein, and hemp protein. Research has proven that adults who exercise and consume protein supplements have had more muscle gains than those who did not. The recommended daily intake of protein is 0.6 to 0.9 grams per pound, or 1.4 to 2 grams per kg of your body weight, to increase muscle growth in adults who train and exercise. But you should keep in mind that even if you eat a high-protein diet, you will not gain weight if you do not consume enough calories, because research shows that people who consume a higher protein diet are more likely to lose fat, because protein makes you feel fuller after eating. This decreases the total amount of calories that you eat, so make sure you are getting enough calories to keep a caloric surplus. Second, creatine. Creatine is naturally produced in your body by the kidneys and liver, and you can also get it by eating red meat, poultry, and seafood. The main function of creatine is to increase energy production. Creatine is one of the best supplements to increase lean muscle mass, and research supports that creatine supplements will improve your exercise performance and will help you gain muscle over time. There are many different types of creatine out there, but it is always advised to start with creatine monohydrate because it is considered to be the most effective and safe. Start taking it as a supplement, approximately 20 grams per day, and split it into 4 batches. Take this amount for up to a week, and after that you can consume 3 to 5 grams per day for as long as you want. Studies show that when creatine supplements are combined with resistance training, it will enhance your lean muscle mass, upper and lower body strength, as well as your physical performance. And the third supplement that will help you gain weight and keep muscles is a weight gainer. In order to gain weight, you will need to consume much more calories than your body uses for normal day-to-day functioning. But how much extra you need to consume will depend on your body type and physical activity. You can consume weight gainers, which are basically high-calorie supplements that can help you gain mass. Weight gainers, also known as mass gainers, are widely available as weight gainer shakes, and they have a high percentage of protein and carbohydrates. Weight gainers are one of the best supplements because they are high in calories and give almost instant nutrition. Some of the benefits of taking weight gainers are: they can help you increase your calorie intake. They contain plenty of protein and carbohydrates. They will help you with building muscles and recovery. And they contain good quality macronutrients. You should keep in mind that even though weight gainers are a good way to add weight and calories to your diet, they may have an unpleasant taste and consistency. And the last supplement on our list today is multivitamins. If your main focus is to build mass, then you are more likely eating foods that give you the most calories and macronutrients. But this may cause a deficiency in vitamins and minerals, which are micronutrients and are essential for your body's proper functioning. Minerals are required for transporting nutrients, building up bones, and other cellular actions, while vitamins will help you in digesting food and providing the enzymes. In order for your body to function properly, consider taking your vitamin and mineral supplements as a part of your diet. There are plenty of multivitamins out there. Choose to take a supplement that contains almost all vitamins and minerals. I will leave the links of our recommendations down in the description, so do check them out. And now let's talk about whether taking the supplements or weightlifting will help you gain more mass. Well, if you want to increase muscle mass and gain weight, it is important that you do the right workouts consistently instead of just relying on the supplements. For example, if you increase your training, your dietary support, and your recover time, then you will get faster and quicker results than if you were to only take supplements and you don't change your gym routine. So please don't make the mistake of thinking that if you take more protein you will gain more mass quickly. Doubling your intake of supplements can just lead to an excess amount of protein and calories that don't have any positive impact, so it is always better to choose natural food sources first and then go for the supplements. You need to balance the intensity of your workouts and nutrition as well to see the results. Alright fam, if you liked the video then go ahead and click on the link and watch this video where I share the difference between whey protein and mass gainer and which one is best for you based on your condition. And if you are still here, then make sure you subscribe and like the video for more amazing fitness content, and I will catch you in next one. Peace.